run deep, deeper than the ocean floor. She rise and she walk where them crawl before. Oh, daughter of Zion, stand tall in the fire. Them can't break your spirit. Your truth get higher. Your strength now retire. Your wisdom shine bright. Your soul inspire. Them plant seed of doubt. You reap tree of grace. Them no know the power in your royal place. The drum beat tell the tale of your reign. Through the storm and the struggle, you still sustain. Rivers flow, mountains bow, daughter of Zion, you make them know. Stand tall in the fire. Them can't break your spirit. Your truth get higher. Daughter of Zion, your strength no retire. Your wisdom shine bright. Your soul inspire. Babylon try to bind, but you still break free. Chains of the past can't hold your destiny. Like a lioness prowling, you claim your space. The light in your eyes a saving grace. Them think me small, but my spirit tall. Them chain the body, but my soul not far. Roots run deep, deeper than the sea. Babylon can't catch a lion so free. Babylon can't hold I down. No matter how them fight me crown. Rise like the sun, shine all around. Babylon, Babylon can't hold I down. Babylon can't hold I down. Brick by brick, them build them wall, but truth and love gon' make it crawl. Them take the golden land, this long. Still Jaja spirit keep me strong. Them fin know I say fire burn lies, wisdom rise. Jaja open me eyes. Babylon can't hold I down. No matter how them fight me crown. Rise like the sun, shine all around. Babylon, Babylon can't hold I down. Babylon can't hold I down. Chant my prayer upon the mountain high. Them lock we soul in a iron cage. Them write we story, but tear the page. Them say be silent, but we shout for rage. Fire burn, light the sage. Chains of oppression, we are break them now. Chains of oppression, make the weak man bow. Chains of oppression, hear the lion growl. Freedom dip on the horizon now. Chains of oppression, we are break them now. Chains of oppression, make the weak man bow. Chains of oppression, hear the lion growl. Freedom dip on the horizon now. Them think we sleep, but we eyes them wide. Think we drown, but we ride the tide. The truth a river, it can't divide. Your light a shine, we not go hide. Them can't hold the root. Them can't stop the truth. Chains of oppression, we are break them now. Chains of oppression, make the weak man go. Chains of oppression, hear the lion growl. Freedom dip on the horizon now. Chains of oppression, chains of oppression. Babylon fall, it not go rise again. The seed of truth, it sprout from pain. Them take the land, but can't take the grain. Which on dip sound, make the heavens rain. The moon arise, but me not fear. Wisdom for guide me, Jah is near. Me tread the path where